G'day and welcome to another tutorial from Easy Joomla Tutorials. Today I'll quickly cover just adding an article and then actually linking it up to a menu item so we can actually view the content on the website. So what I've done here is I've just installed a fresh version of Joomla just on my local computer here just so it's nice and speedy. And so let's just jump straight into it. So the first thing we actually need to do is create a section. Now, for this example, I'm going to create a new section called News. So the way to think of a section, I guess, is to break the website up into different sections. And then each section can have a subset of categories. So for example, we'll create this new section called News. And then we'll go ahead and actually create some categories below that. So some subcategories or some categories of the section news could be latest news, for example. And then you might have something like company news, just to be nice and boring. So once we've created our sections and categories, we can already go to our article manager here. And we can go ahead and create a new article. Now we have to fill in here the title of our article. So we'll make this some phony news. And here we have to select our section. Now we've only actually added one ourselves so far, so here's the news section we've created. If we wanted, we could also put it in uncategorized, which is just basically it doesn't belong to any section or category. So we'll add it to the news section, and this is going to be part of our latest news category. So we'll just add some bogus content here. It's a great title and some compelling content there. So now we want to save this. So now we can already see it appearing in our article manager. So now what have we got? We've got some content in our system. It's in the section of news and it's in its category latest news. But that doesn't help us too much because we can't actually get to it on our website yet, even if we refresh it. So what we actually want to do now is assign this content to a menu. Now you can have multiple menus, but as a default there's the main menu. So here we can actually already see the home link, which shows up on the live site here. So now we want to go ahead and add a new menu item, and it's going to be of the article variety. So we want to click on this articles link. It'll give us a whole bunch of options. I won't go into too much detail here in this particular tutorial, but we want to just basically do an article layout. So an article layout's just going to show us just the content of a particular article. So first we have to give this link a title. Now this will be the actual text that links through to the article. So in our case we'll still call it phony news. And then we have to select which article we actually want to show under this menu item. And we've only got the one article in our system at the moment, so it's pretty easy to find. Some phony news. Now we won't have our menu system too complicated yet, so it'll just be on the top level, which basically means it's going to appear underneath this home. And then we just click save. And now if we refresh our site, hopefully it will appear here. And there it is. And we can already click on our link. And it's going to show us some phony news. So that's it, how to add an article to a menu in about, I don't know, 5 minutes or so.